What is your favorite Chinese food?
Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao chicken. Oh my gosh, how exciting, because it's actually an authentic Chinese dish, unlike sesame chicken or orange chicken. Did you know Kung Pao chicken was named after Ding Baozhen, who was the governor of Sichuan province in late Qin dynasty? At the time, his job title was 太子少保, which was one of the gongbao or palace guardians. So Kung Pao chicken was named based on his job title. So can you tell us why you like Kung Pao chicken?
I like that it's spicy.
Yes, very spicy. I like it.
I like all the chilies and other stuff that's in it.
Is there anything else?
I like the roasted flavor of it.
Yeah,
and
maybe
the peanuts.
Peanuts. It's crunchy, it's aromatic, adds a lot to the dish, and maybe a little bit of sour, sweet taste from the sauce, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. Have you ever made it? Kung Pao
No,
chicken?
no, it seems very hard.